Hi friends, in the starting videos we discussed what is Vlookup and what are the arguments in the Vlookup, how it is working, all the things we discussed. But here also we'll discuss Vlookup again, but in different scenarios. See here, there are two sheets are there. One is sales data and another one is sheet 1. Okay, normally the data is everything okay, there is no problem. But then there is any spaces, like if there are any extra spaces in the lookup value, in that scenarios we cannot do VLOOKUP. Means directly we cannot match the values with the lookup values. And one more thing, so sometimes you will get the wrap text also. Just look at that, just to click alt plus enter, and just we have some spaces also. Look at that, just I'm giving spaces also, that is called extra spaces. I'm giving alt plus enter. Alt plus enter means wrap text. So it takes a new line in the same cell. So the data is like this. If you go for any interviews or else in some real-time scenarios, so unexpectedly people they may enter this kind of data, means they can give extra spaces and they will create a blank lines. So all the things. Now just we'll do this by using VLOOKUP. So we'll use extra functions in this VLOOKUP function. So those are clean and trim. So I'm going to use these two functions. Trim means what? To remove all spaces in a text string except a single spaces between the words. That means single spaces between words, except that remaining everything it will remove, every space it will remove. Like in the cell the data, it is starting with space or else ending with space, or else if there are any extra spaces, that means more than one spaces between the words, all the spaces are going to remove by using trim function. So if there are any extra spaces, then we'll use a function called trim to remove the extra spaces except the single spaces between the words. And another function called clean. Clean is what? To remove all non-printable characters. To remove all non-printable characters. That is called clean function. See here, for example, if you are doing wrap text, you will get enter. That non-printable characters means tab space and enter. In the text, if there is a tab space and enter, we cannot do anything. So that there in that situations, we are going to use a function called clean to remove all non-printable characters. These two functions are from the text functions. Go to the formulas tab, text functions. One is clean and another one is trim. Two functions are there in the text functions from the formulas tab. So by using these two functions inside the VLOOKUP, we'll take the data. First, just I'm taking is equal VLOOKUP. Look at there, it is asking lookup value. So lookup value, just I'm taking clean. Why clean? To remove all non-printable characters. Then trim. Trim is what? To remove extra spaces. Now select the lookup value A2. Then table array. Go to the sales data. Select the complete table array, comma, we require customer. So the customer is second column, comma, 0. 0 is what? Exact match. Look at there. Now we got the exact output for the products. So just I got the customer's data in the column A having the products. For example, if I'm not using that things, we'll see what will happen. Same thing without using those. We look up directly lookup value A2. Then go to the sales data. Select the table array, comma 2, because we require customer. Product is first column, customer is second column, comma 0, bracket close, enter. Look at there. It is saying any, because there is wrap text, extra space, space and wrap text. That's why just we got NA. So we are thinking where I did mistake, but you won't get it because everything is okay. In the formula, everything is okay. Because just you are asking alias mutton in this. Okay, there is alias mutton here also, alias mutton also there. There is a customer also there. So you have to get the data. But the problem is what? These two are different. See, is equal to this one and this one. Press enter. See, we got false because both are not same. So that's why just we are using these functions clean and trim. So while writing the formula, VLOOKUP formula, better to write in any VLOOKUP formula because it may be, may not be, because we cannot guess exactly it is there or not. We cannot check for every cell in the huge data. So friends, better to practice by using this clean and trim functions in the VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. See, trim or else clean, anything you can use in the starting. Clean, trim, A2, comma. Go to the sales data, select the table array. So you can select up to B also, no issues. Select the complete table array, then comma, 2, comma, 0. 0 is what? Exact match. Then close the bracket, press enter. Look at there. Just we got the customer's data for these products. See friends, like this we'll use clean and trim functions inside the VLOOKUP. Just now I told you, better to write these clean and trim functions before the lookup value in every VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP also, so that you will get the exact data without doing any mistakes. So real-time scenarios and interview point of view, people are asking these kind of things only. Why? Because everyone knows what is VLOOKUP, what is HLOOKUP, what are the arguments, but if the data is like this, like a wrap text or else extra spaces, no one can't do this. So that we'll use this kind of formula for that kind of scenarios.